and welcome to Stove Radio 1. This week, Jamie's absent, so we've got Will replacing him.
Hello.
And we've got Lewis.
Hello.
And there's me.
A strange voice.
Yes, with my strange voice on. Our first segment over to Lewis Crump.
Well, first of all, I'd just like to mention Jamie's not here, and he may unexpectedly come in, so we have got a seat here for him, so okay. What have we got first?
We have the news.
The news. Main news. Well, the Winter Olympics has started. It's held in Russia.
Whereabouts in Russia, Lewis?
Sochi, I think it was.
That's the right one.
The Sochi Olympic Games 2014. Yes. And at the opening ceremony, basically they had 5 lights light up to make the Olympic rings, and one of them had a 30-second delay, which was a bit embarrassing. It's meant to be the most expensive winter games ever, costing £30 billion.
I'm so jealous.
There will be 98 events in the winter sports. It's quite a lot.
One of
That's
them's
a
the
lot.
biathlon, where
Have
you're
you
shooting and
seen
skiing
any?
at the same time.
Yes. Let us know if you have seen the games, what your favourite event was, and who you are supporting.
And we'll tell you who wins if you don't manage to see the end of it, which you probably will, but we'll say it anyway because we can, we will. And that's what we do.
It's a bit rebellious.
In other news, I like saying that.
In other news,
MPs vote for ban on car smoking. So basically, people smoke in the cars, and smoking can be very harmful, especially when you've got children. So when there's children in the cars and you're smoking, it's small and it can get to them. So basically, they're banning smoking in the car to save children.
But it's not actually caused any problems.
Will, in other news, what have you got?
There is more severe weather warnings for the UK.
now read the paragraphs.
There are still no signs of things getting easier for flooded parts of the UK, as more mild weather has been forecast. The Met Office has severe weather warnings for parts of South Wales and to southwest England, warning that ongoing flooding in some places, any further rain will only add to the problems, which is quite bad.
Now read the next bit.
BBC weather forecaster Laura, we don't actually need to read this because basically the gist of it is that flooded parts of the UK aren't going to get better anytime soon.
So, on the flooded subject, we've got Alex with the weather.
The weather, wet. Today, we've got light rain shower, which I think is not true.
What day is today, Alex?
Tuesday, the 11th of February. Which I don't agree with, because we had a really heavy...
You don't agree with the date?
I know, I don't agree with... I don't agree with the weather this today, because when I woke up it was loads of heavy rain, and it says light rain showers.
Yeah, but today isn't over yet. It's only 12,
And we've
20.
got westerly northwesterly winds of
When did you
19
print
miles
this off,
per hour.
Alex?
I don't
You did that.
Yeah.
know. Me!
And tomorrow, which is Wednesday, you'll probably be watching it on Wednesday, Thursday or Friday or Saturday, which is when the weather's already been and gone, from the say anyway. You've got heavy rain tomorrow, with maximum temperatures of 9 degrees and minimum temperatures of 3 degrees at night time, with stronger winds of 30 miles an hour south-southwesterly. And then
South-southwest.
south-southwesterly.
Say that 10 times quickly.
Thursday, we've got once more light rain showers, maximum temperatures of 7 degrees and minimum temperatures of 3 degrees.
It's a bit cold.
It's very cold, you're right. And
very
wind
cold.
speed, wind speeds of 18 miles an hour, southwesterly winds. This is getting really tedious, so basically it's going to be really rainy on Friday, not so rainy on Saturday.
And warmer on Saturday than it was on Friday.
And it's going to be warmer on Saturday than it is on Friday, and it's going to be windier than it is then Friday.
And if you live in Somerset, take shelter.
Yes, because you'll probably be flooded, and we will laugh.
Well, no, you'll probably be flooded. You'll be living in a boat by now, won't you?
Yeah.
Just like
Living in a boat's actually quite good.
On a lake.
With the boat, there's the thing. If you live on a boat, you
It's
can
got a motor, hasn't it? Al?
Yeah.
And a sail.
Depending on what boat you get.
Yeah, that's why I said boat.
You can explore
The sea.
2/3 of the world's surface, unlike a conventional house, which means you can. Which means you can.
I mean,
Over to Lewis.
Okay.
some music to lighten the mood.
We've got school news now. Depends what day you'll watch this on, but today basically is Tuesday the 11th of February. If you're wondering why I'm looking at my watch, it's got a date on. And today is the Safer Internet Day 2014. So
And the
once a year.
internet's down.
Yes, unfortunately the school internet's down, so this actually probably won't go up till a week's time.
Oh my god! Lewis, be quiet a second.
Okay.
Mine, you can't read that.
Just to let you know, there could be snow covering England if the wind direction doesn't change.
So basically, all the Atlantic weather is forcing snow in. They say it's mainly in the north, but it said some southern downhill parts could get it.
If the wind
And
direction
it's in
doesn't
half
change.
term, so happy holidays, everyone.
Yeah. Yeah, it's Easter, isn't it?
It's Easter half term, not actually
No.
Easter term.
It's February half term.
Yeah, but it's Easter next holidays.
Yeah, but
So it's Easter half term.
yeah,
Because
but
we're not at the end.
next one comes up half term, and that's the
Easter
February.
half term.
Yes.
No,
It's
the
a
one
half term
coming up
after
next week
Easter
is
term.
February half term. Okay,
Moving on.
Jinx.
So the Safer Internet Day was about
3D.
um,
3D.
the awareness of keeping safe on the internet,
Obviously.
and about your footprint of the internet and leaving everything behind. So yeah, stay safe.
They wouldn't spend money.
On tomorrow, Wednesday the 12th of February, it's the nursery rhyme and tea party.
Oh, I'm so looking forward to it.
At 6:30 is the senior drama showcase. Then on Thursday we have the Year 11 parents evening and the Year 9 GCSE option deadline. Oh jeez.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, doesn't matter because I've already handed mine in. You still got to
We
hand
have-
yours in, I forgot to remind
No,
you.
we don't because Mr. Tizard safe to hand it in tomorrow.
We'll talk about this afterwards.
Yes. Basically,
On
GCSEs are very important. Next year, you won't be doing GCSEs because they're doing O levels again now, aren't they?
No, it's called EBAC, which is basically O levels, only they changed the name.
Yeah, what Will said.
Basically, they're changing it. Then on Friday, the 14th of February, is half term.
Isn't that also
You're supposed to
Valentine's Day?
It is also
Oh yeah, that's
Valentine's
also
Day.
Valentine's Day.
Which
So
would be
the
very
school
funny.
is giving us a little present by letting us leave.
Oh yeah.
Then when we come back on the Monday, the day after, Tuesday the 25th, I think that is, of February, is the Lambda examinations and the IAPS or LAPS music event at Mount House School. That's it for the school news.
Now we have the question of the week. William, disengage the lights.
This one, do you get up? Basically, the question of the week, every week we have a question and we'll reveal it next week. But since it's half term next week, we're still going to release it in this show. So, the question of the week is...
Hang on, wrong button. Hang on. Please work.
I knew we should just... Hey! Which piece on a chessboard makes an L-shaped move?
I got it. I know.
But what is the answer, I hear you ask? If you don't want to know the answer and guess for yourself, fingers in the ear. The answer is... Solomon?
Knigget. That's Donovan.
The knight. Not night sky, the...
It's a Knigget, lad. It's clearly a Knigget.
You clearly pronounce it, Knigget.
Fine. It's the king...
Knigget.
Next question.
No, we
Have
only
we
do
not
one.
got- we got a question for next week. So
We say a question next week, and then we reveal the week after.
no, but it's half term.
Yeah.
So you are...
So we got to ask a question this week.
This is so confused.
Right.
Why if you answered the question
Yeah.
this week, you meant to answer it next week?
Oh, we've got to go. Sorry.
Disengage projector.
Okay, thank you very much for
Goodbye.
watching. We'll be back after half term. Goodbye.
Bye.